Greetings to all. Today we discuss about the topic on design of digital filters. In this topic, we move on with a specialized topic of realization of FIR and IER filters. So FIR filter and IER filter, we move before that realization of filter is nothing but it is a pictorial representation of our differential functions. Okay, before that I am telling about what is FIR filter. So FIR filter is nothing but it is a finite impulse response whose output depends only on the present and past input variables, and it having that. So this function is also called as non-recursive systems. Okay, in a IR filter is a infinite impulse response. The output only having n number of past values. So in this system is called recursive system. The general differential equations we know that is y of n is equal to minus summation of k is equal to 1 n a k y of n minus k plus summation of k is equal to 0 to m b k x of n minus k. So this is the general differential equations for our functions. Okay, so I am already told about the realization of structure or realization of FIR and IR filter is nothing but we represent the differential equation in a pictorial form or a structural form or in a block diagramical representation is called realization of a system. So each and every system is nothing but it is the combinations of blocks combined together to get one particular structure. Okay, so each and in this realization or differential equation is nothing but it is the combination of multiplication, additions and delay elements combined together to get one function. Okay, so that the block diagram representations also having adder, multiplier and delay multiplier and delay. So adder is nothing but the summing two functions, so x1 of n plus x2 of n to getting this output. So x1 of n plus x2 of n, and multiplier is nothing but the one signal will multiplying with a scalar unit and giving that the output a into x1 of n, and delay element is nothing but the signal will passes through x of n in through the delay box, so that we getting the function x of n minus 1. Then this structure of realization of our IR filter will be classified into four types, that is direct form 1, direct form 2, cascade form and parallel form. So direct form 1 is nothing but this differential equation or the function of that equations will be directly represented in the manner of pictorial is called direct form 1. And this direct form 1 having some limitations, then that limitations will be overcome in direct form 2. And cascade is nothing but the each and every systems having input and output, so that particular system is called H of S, and the one particular functions having n number of systems, so that H of S will be represented in the manner of series. It's called cascade form. Parallel form is that H1 of S, H2 of S and H3 of S are represented in the parallel form of manner. It called as parallel form of representations. Today we discuss in that direct form 1 and direct form 2 topics. Remaining will be we discussed in next videos. Okay, so now we move on with direct form 1. So direct form 1, note down this problem. I will explain the concept through directly with the problem itself. So you note down this problem. Obtain the direct form 1 and direct form 2 realization of linearly time invariant system governed by these equations. So our equation is y of n is equal to minus 3 by 8 y of n minus 1 plus 3 by 12 y of n minus 2 plus 1 by 64 y of n minus 3 plus x of n plus 3 into x of n minus 1 plus 2 x of n minus 2. So this is our equations. Now this equations will undergo the z transformation on both the sides, so that our equation we can written as the y of n. So this y of n undergoes the z transformations or taking z transformation on both the side, so that this we can rewrite this equation as, we know that the z transformation, so that I am directly implement the z transformation in this particular equation. So y of z is equal to minus 3 by 8 y of z power minus 1 plus 3 by 32 y of z power minus 2 plus 1 by 64 y of z power minus 3. Okay, so this z power minus 3. Then x of z plus 3 into x of z power minus 1. So this y n minus 1. Okay, 2 x of z power minus 2. Here the delay element will be represented in the function of n minus 2. So now I am going to draw the block diagram for this function. So here we having, this is y of z is our output side and x of z is our input side, and in between we having this function. So I am taking x of z as our input function, and this input function is having the function of x of z. So directly I am connected to one summing point. Then this signal will added with another signal. So 3x of z power minus 1. So 3 is our scalar unit. It is represented in the form of multiplier, and z power minus 1 is our delay element. So I am going to represent this 3 in this block diagram. So x of z is our input signal and it passes through one delay element. So this particular point having that the function of x of z into z power minus 1. So it will passes through one delay element. So this function is x of n minus 1 and it multiplying with the scalar unit 3. So that this point having that the function of 3 into x of z power minus 1, and it passes through the function of then it plus added with 2x of z power minus 2. And both combined together in this particular functions we having that the function x of z plus 3x of z power minus 1 plus 2 into x of z power minus 2. Then we having that the output y of z combined together. So y of z is this function and we taking that the delay element, it passes through the delay element z power minus 1 and having that the scalar unit minus 3 by 2 combined together to get the solution minus 3 by 8 y of z power minus 1. Like that the function 3 by 32 y of z power minus 2, 1 by 64 z power minus 1, minus, so it passes through 3 elements, so that we getting that the value y of z power minus 3. So all combined together in this particular value we getting that the solution minus 3 by 8 y of z power minus 2 plus 3 by 32 y of z power minus 2 plus 1 by 64 y of z power minus 3. So the this in this output side we getting that the combination of this entire equation. So this is the pictorial representation or block diagram for this function. Now it having n number of delay elements. To reduce this n number of delay elements we move on with direct form 2. Okay, so each and every sections having separate delay elements. So so that the input and output side having separate delay elements, so it require large number of memory requirement. To overcome this, to reduce the requirement of delay element, this limitations will be overcome in direct form 2. Okay, so I am taking the same function and I am taking z transformation for that function also, and I am converting this equation like this manner, so that I am taking y of z is a common in this equation. So I am rewriting the term y of z is equal to 1 plus 3 by 8 z power minus 1 minus 3 by 32 z power minus 2 minus 1 by 64 z power minus 3, and x of z in another side. So here there also I am taking x of z as common. So x of z 1 plus 3 z power minus 1 plus 2 z power minus 2. We know that the impulse response of the system is nothing but it is the output by input. So that I am considering that equation as h of s or h of z. So here I am taking in the term of z transformation. So h of z is equal to y of z by x of z. So that we getting this equation 1 plus 3 z power minus 1 plus 2 z power minus 2 by so we equating this term and cross multiplying, so that we getting this equation. Now we are adding another variable, that is w of z. By adding this variable, this function does not get any changed. So that y of z by w of z into w of z by x of z. Now I am comparing this equation. Okay, I am separating this term as numerator and denominator separated. So I am taking y of z in by w of z. This function is equal to our numerator term, and w of z by x of z is equal to denominator term. So that I am writing this term y of z by w of z is equal to 1 plus 3 z power minus 1 plus 2 z power minus 2, and w of z by x of z is equal to 1 by 1 plus 3 by 8 z power minus 1 minus 3 by 32 z power minus 2 minus 1 by 64 z power minus 3. Now cross multiplying this term so that y of z will be having the function in terms of w of z. So w of z plus 3 z power minus 1 w of z plus 2 w of z power minus 2. And this x of z having this function. Okay. Then w of z into, so we cross multiplying this term. So that our equation x of z is equal to w of z plus 3 by 8 w of z power minus 1 minus 3 by 32 w of z power minus 2 minus 1 by 64 w of z power minus 3. So that we getting that the solution. Now we getting that the function x of z, your input side also in the function of w of z and output side also having that the function of function in terms of w of z. So x of z also having that the function in terms of w of z and y of z also having that the function w of z. So both the functions having that the common point is w of z. So now I am going to represent this function in the pictorial manner. W of z is our common point. Output is y of z and input is x of z. So now I am going to draw the input side. So w of z is the center point plus added with the delay element and scalar unit 3 by 2 w of z into z inverse. So this function is having that value. And next point minus 3 by 32 w of z power minus 2. So it will passes through two delay elements. So this function is having z power minus 2 w of z into 3 by 32. So this function is having that value. Then it will added with minus 1 by 64 w of z power minus 2. So passes through three values so that this point has w of z power minus 3 and passes through the scalar unit of 1 by 64. So all combined together to get this value. So this functions having this particular function having that the value of w of z. So this is, we can rewrite this equation means w of z is equal to x of z minus 3 by 32 into w of z power minus 1 plus 3 by 32 w of z power minus 2 plus 1 by 64 w of z power minus 2. So that this functions having that value. Then y of z is having the value of w of z. So directly we writing adding that signal. Then 3 into w of z power minus 1. So the same delay block will be used once again. So because this summing point having the value of w of z power minus 1. So passes through this block diagram, passes through the summing point and the signal will be added here. Then next 2 into w of z power minus 2. The same signal will passes through this block and we getting that the output w of z is equal to w of z plus 3 z power minus 1 w of z plus 2 w of z power minus 2. Okay. So this is the pictorial representation of our function direct form 2. So here the direct form 2 having only 3 delay elements, but in the direct form 1 having 5 delay elements. The 2 delay elements will be reduced in direct form 2. So it will reduces the complexity of our structure and it will reduce and it will limit the memory of the structure so that the n number of each and every sections of our input sections and output sections having separate delay elements will be reduced and combined together. So it will reduces the structure and memory requirement for that particular filter will be reduced. So this is the realization form of direct form 2. So let us we discuss about the cascade and parallel form in another video. We will continue with the next video. Okay. Thank you. Now we wind up this section with the direct form 1 and direct form 2. Thank you.